Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Hello future engineers, viewers, subscribers, and students. Here is another video in Engineers in Progress. These exercises are applications of the geometric problems. If you want to anticipate the solution, then you can by pausing the video. Geometric problems. Problem 17, the length of a rectangle is 6 centimeters more than its width. If the length were decreased by 4 cm and the width were increased by 2 centimeters, the perimeter of the resulting rectangle would be 48 centimeters. Find the dimensions of the original rectangle. So the length, which is denoted by B here, and the width by H. So the length B is 6 more than its width, so it is H plus 4. B is H plus 6 rather. If the length, so perimeter is 2 times quantity B plus H. And it is mentioned here that if the length were decreased by 4 and the width increased by 2, the perimeter, the resulting perimeter of the rectangle would be 48. So 48 equals 2 times, so B is H plus 6, then minus 4, so H plus 6 plus H. So we use this perimeter formula here and equate it to 48, then we replace H plus X by H plus X minus 4 if it is decreased by 4, and H is increased by 2, so this is H plus 2. So 48 equals 2, quantity H plus 6 minus 4 plus H plus 2. 24 equals 2H. 48 over 2 is 24, then H plus H, 2H. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 minus 4 plus 2 is 4. So 24 minus 4 is 20 divided by 2, so H is 10 centimeters, and the length is H plus 6, 10 plus 6, 16 centimeters. Problem 18. A farmer wishes to enclose a rectangular region with 700 feet fencing in such a way, fencing material, in such a way that the division is parallel to the width and the region is divided into two equal parts. What length of the rectangular region should be used? So if you imagine if this is the rectangular region, the division is along the or parallel to the width. So there will be H plus division H plus H 3H and only 2B. So 2B plus 3H equals 700 feet. And the length is twice the width as stated here. The length of the region is twice the width. So the perimeter 3H or 2H plus 2B, sorry, 2B plus 3H, there will be 3H dimension equals 700, replacing B by 2H, so 2 times 2H plus 3H equals 700. 7H equals 700, so H is 100 feet. Therefore, the length is 2 times 100, so 200 feet. Problem 19. The angles marked with variable expressions are called vertical angles. It is shown in geometry that vertical angles have equal measures. Find the measure of each angle in figures 19.1 and figure 19.2. Here are the figures. So these are called vertical angles and they are equal. And in figure 19.2, these are the vertical angles which are equal. So even if you don't have an idea, I hope that you know that vertical angles are equal. These two are also equal because we call these vertical angles. And in particular, the supplement of that angle there. So here 8x plus 2 equals 7x plus 17. So 8x minus 7x is x. 17 minus 2 is 15. So x is 15 degrees. Therefore, the measure of each vertical angles here would be 8 times 15, and that is 120 plus 2, so 122 degrees. Likewise, 7 times 15 plus 17. 7 times 15 is 105 plus 17, 122 degrees also. In 19.2, 9 minus 5x equals 25 minus 3x. So 9 minus 25 is negative 16, negative 3x plus 5x is 2x. So negative 16 equals 2x. So x equals negative 16 over 2, negative 8 degrees. Substitute here, 9 minus 5 times negative 8 is 49 degrees. And 25 minus 3 times negative 8, 25 plus 24 is also 49 degrees. Problem 20. Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. Find the measures of the complementary angles shown in the figure here. So these are complementary angles. So 5x minus 1 plus 2x equals 90 degrees. 7x equals 91 degrees. X is 91 degrees over 7, so x is 13 degrees. Therefore, the measure of each of these complementary angles is 5 times 13 minus 1 is 64 degrees, and 2 times 30 degrees is 26 degrees. Problem 21. Two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. Find the measures of the supplementary angles shown in the figure. So these are supplementary angles, angles that add up to straight angles. So 3x plus 5 plus 5x plus 15 equals 180 degrees. So 8x plus 20 equals 180 degrees. 8x is 160 degrees. So x is 160 over 8, 20 degrees. Then the one angle here, one supplementary angle, is 3 times 20 plus 5, and that is 65 degrees. The other angle is 5 times 20, 100 plus 15, 115 degrees. Problem 22. The interior angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3 as to 4 as to 5. Find the supplement of the biggest angle. So we can also write this as 3x by 4x by 5x. Then the sum is 180 degrees. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x equals 180 degrees. 12x equals 180 degrees. So x equals 180 over 12, and that is 15 degrees. The supplement of the biggest angle is 180 degrees minus the biggest angle. The biggest angle is 5 times 15, and that is 75 degrees. Therefore, the supplement of 75 degrees is 180 degrees minus 75 degrees, and that is 105 degrees. Problem 23. The biggest interior angle of a triangle is 4 degrees more than twice the middle angle, while the ratio of the smallest to the middle angle is 2 as to 3. Find the biggest interior angle. So the biggest interior angle of a triangle is 4 more than twice the middle angle. So that means B theta biggest is equal to 2 times theta m plus 4. So theta b equals 2 times theta m plus 4. While the ratio of the smallest to the middle, so 2 as to 3 theta small as to theta middle equals 2 as to 3. So theta s over 2 equals theta m over 3. Therefore, theta s is 2/3 of theta m. Adding the angles, smallest 2/3 m plus middle angle theta m plus largest angle, biggest angle 2 theta m plus 4 equals 180 degrees, the sum of their angles of a triangle. So 2/3 theta m plus 2 theta m, that's 11/3 theta m. 180 minus 4 equals 176 degrees. So 8/3 theta m equals 176 degrees. Theta m therefore is 3 times 176 over 11, and that is equal to 48 degrees. So the biggest interangle therefore is 2 times 48, 96 plus 4, 100 degrees. So theta biggest is 2 times 48 degrees plus 4, 100 degrees. Problem 24. If the width of a rectangle is 2 centimeters more than 1/2 its length and its perimeter is 40 cm, what are its dimensions? The width of a rectangle is 2 cm more than 1/2 its length. So width is h and it is 1/2 of L, 1/2 of B plus 2. H is 1/2 of B plus 2. Perimeter is 2 times quantity B plus H, and that is H. So replace this with B over 2 plus 2 and perimeter 40. 40 equals 2 quantity B plus B over 2 plus 2. Distribute the 2. 2B plus 2B over 2 is 3B. 3B plus 4 equals 40. 40 equals 3B plus 4. 40 minus 4, 36 over 3, so 12 cm. B, the length of the rectangle is 12 cm, while the width is B over 2. 12 over 2 is 6 plus 2, so 8 cm. The width or the altitude is 8 cm. Lastly, problem 25. The longest side of a triangle is twice as long as the shortest side and 2 centimeters longer than the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 33 cm, what is the length of each side? Let's denote S as the longest. Let's denote L as the longest side of a triangle that is twice as long as the shortest side. So L equals 2 times shortest side S, and L is also 2 cm longer than the third side, so L is 2 third side or middle side m plus 2. So the sum of these sides is equal to 33. So shortest side, which is L over 2, plus middle side from this equation L minus 2, plus longest side L equals 33. L over 2 plus L is 5 halves L. 33 plus 2 is 35. So 5 halves L equals 35. Therefore, L is 2 times 35, 70 over 5. So L, the longest side is 14 cm. The middle side is 14 minus 2, 12 cm. And the shortest side is L over 2, 14 over 2, 7 cm. So that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something about geometric problems that is needed in your geometry skills.